Welcome to Update Your Migrated Courses in Canvas. In this portion, we will discuss notification settings. To update the notifications, select Account from the global navigation menu, then select Notifications. On this page, you'll be able to select and adjust the notifications for your account. Remember, it's important to understand that notifications in Canvas are set for each user. Your notification settings will not impact your students' notification settings, and your students' notification settings will not impact your notification settings. They can adjust their notification settings just as you can. For each type of notification, there are 4 choices. The first is Notify Immediately, and that means you will be notified immediately if that trigger occurs. The next is Daily Summary, which will be an email sent around 6 p.m. most evenings. The next is a Weekly Summary, which will be delivered on Saturdays between 9 and 11 p.m. And finally, Notifications Off, which means you will not be notified. As you review each individual item under the notification settings, if you mouse over each item, it will give you more information about what that notification is for. If you want to receive a copy of your announcements via email, you want to make sure Notify Immediately is selected. If you don't want a notification that your students have submitted an assignment, ensure that Notifications Off is selected. You may only see one column on the notification settings. That means you have not enabled the Canvas app for teachers yet. If you've downloaded and installed the Canvas app, you will see a second column for push notifications. Additionally, you have the choice on this page to set the notifications for your entire account or specific courses. If I wanted to set and have different notifications for a course, I can do that. Canvas gives you far more rights and permissions to customize notification settings to fit your needs. Thank you for watching. For more information, please visit clt.odu.edu.